Our story begins billions of years ago. Imagine a young Earth still forming. It was a chaotic and violent place. Volcanoes erupted across the surface, spewing molten rock and gases into the atmosphere. The air was thick with smoke and ash. This was no place for life as we know it. But from this fiery chaos, our planet would eventually emerge. As Earth cooled, a crust formed on its surface. This crust cracked and shifted, creating the first continents and ocean basins. Meteorites bombarded the young planet, adding to its growing mass. These meteorites weren't just destructive forces, though. They also carried precious cargo water and the building blocks of life. Over millions of years, the rain that fell from the sky gathered in the low-lying areas, forming the first oceans. The stage was set for life's grand entrance. The Earth was no longer a barren, fiery wasteland. It was a planet of possibilities. What would happen next? From the depths of those early oceans, a remarkable story would unfold. A story of life, evolution, and the incredible journey that led to us. The early Earth was a harsh and unforgiving place, yet life found a foothold. How did this happen? Scientists believe that meteorites played a crucial role. These cosmic visitors, arriving from the depths of space, carried within them the seeds of life. These weren't the giant, planet-killing meteorites we sometimes see in movies. These were smaller, more frequent visitors. They contained water ice trapped within their rocky structures. Upon impact, this ice melted, filling the early oceans, but that's not all they carried. Meteorites also brought organic molecules, the building blocks of life. These molecules, formed in the vastness of space, found their way to Earth. They landed in the newly forming oceans, creating a primordial soup. This soup, rich in organic molecules, was the perfect environment for life to emerge. It is a humbling thought. The very essence of our being, the building blocks of every plant and animal, might have originated in the hearts of distant stars. This cosmic connection is a reminder of the interconnectedness of our universe. Imagine a world without trees, flowers, or even grass. That was Earth billions of years ago. The land was barren rock, sculpted by volcanoes and meteor impacts. The oceans teemed with early microbial life, but the land remained untouched by life's green embrace. Then a remarkable transformation began. Simple, single-celled organisms evolved the ability to harness sunlight for energy. This process, photosynthesis, changed everything. These early organisms, similar to modern-day algae, released oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis. Gradually, oxygen levels in the atmosphere rose. This paved the way for more complex life forms to evolve. Meanwhile, on land, the first plants appeared. They were simple organisms, like mosses and lichens clinging to the rocky surfaces. But over millions of years, they spread, transforming the barren landscape into a vibrant tapestry of green. The Earth was beginning to resemble the planet we know and love today. Section 4, Life Finds a Way, the Rise of Creatures in the Oceans. With the oceans teeming with microbial life, the stage was set for the next chapter in Earth's story, the rise of complex life. From the primordial soup, the first multicellular organisms emerged. These were simple creatures, soft-bodied and strange, unlike anything alive today. Over millions of years, they evolved and diversified. Some developed hard shells for protection, others developed fins for swimming. The oceans became a kaleidoscope of life. Creatures like trilobites, with their segmented bodies and multifaceted eyes, crawled along the seafloor. Ammonites, relatives of today's squid and octopus, navigated the waters with their spiral shells. The oceans were a symphony of life, a testament to the power of evolution. These early creatures were pioneers, venturing into an alien world. Their success paved the way for the even more remarkable creatures that would follow. Section 5. Giants of the Land, the Age of Dinosaurs. The land, once barren, was now covered in lush forests. The air was rich with oxygen. The stage was set for the most awe-inspiring creatures to ever walk the Earth, the dinosaurs. From humble beginnings, dinosaurs evolved into a dazzling array of shapes and sizes. Some, like the mighty Brachiosaurus, were gentle giants, grazing on the treetops. Others, like the fearsome Tyrannosaurus rex, were apex predators, ruling their domains with a mix of brute force and cunning. The age of dinosaurs lasted for millions of years. It was a time of incredible diversity. As dinosaurs adapted to every conceivable niche on the planet, they swam in the oceans, soared through the skies, and thundered across the land. Their reign seemed unchallengeable. But even giants can fall. Little did these magnificent creatures know that their time was drawing to a close. A cataclysmic event was on the horizon, an event that would change the course of life on Earth forever.